What is good, guys? Is your boy on the screen, Savvy Forex, founder of the Empire Traders Academy. So, on my 5K account, I've taken the first trade of the week, being today is Tuesday on AUD JPY. I didn't see any setup on Monday, so I waited patiently till today. Currently, let's see how the trade goes. Let me show you on the screen how it looks like. Yeah, guys, this is how the first trade of the week is going on AUD JPY. As you can see, I've taken the first trade of the week. So I'm waiting for price to tag me in. That's my buy limit. Waiting for price to tag me in. So I'm currently waiting for price to tag me in. I'm not gonna rush on this trade. I know my strategy. I have a lower time frame confirmation on this trade. I'm just waiting for price to tag me in. Can you just go down a little and tag me in? Can you just go down a little? The spread is too much, bro. We are in on the trade. We are in on the trade. We are in on the trade. You can see we are losing about $66.69. That's the first trade of the account. That's the first trade in the account. Good. We are losing small, but regardless, it is what it is. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to update you guys. First trade of the week on AUD JPY, as you can see. So I have a rule that says once the trade gives me 1:1.5, I break even on the trade. As you can see, I'm currently floating about 1:3, so it's time for break even. Let's break even on the trade. So let it be a risk-free trade. That's how I manage my trade. It's going to be a risk-free trade. A risk-free trade. It's going to be a risk-free trade. As you can see, it's going to be a risk-free trade. Let's take all the trade to break even. I'll leave it for a risk-free trade. As you can see now, all the trade has been adjusted to break even. So let's see how it goes. I'm definitely gonna update you guys. I pray price don't come back towards break even. Let it just pump up to TP. It would be so nice if we got the test of TP at the first trade of the week. The trade is moving very well. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, guys! This trade can never be more radar and precise than this. This trade cannot be more, like, there is no precise entry than this, guys. So I would have loved to record this trade while it's TP. I'm just waiting. I'll be waiting patiently till it 8 TP, bro. To hit TP. See you guys. I don't think, but maybe I'll be cutting the video. But I would love you guys to see. I think it's reversing, but let's see how it goes. Update you guys later. You can see the trade has finally crashed TP. It has finally eaten TP. It feels good. Success tastes good, bro. This is the trade open today. As you can see, price finally 8 TP. I'm out of the trade. It is what it is. This is what we call patience. This is what we call process over profit, bro. First trade of the week, as you can see, with a trade of 1:7 are out, and we are out in profit. It is what it is. So see you guys later. The worst that can happen is this week I have 2 more trades to take, or they take max of 3 trades per week. So now I'll be taking at least 2 or 3 trades, so that I'll be taking 2 trades by God's grace, or 3 trades remaining days, just to complete the 4 trading days of this account. It feels good. See you guys later. It is what it is. Let me put my phone to charge. Update you guys later. What is good, guys? Bless you all for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Today is Thursday, by the way. A lot really happened. A lot has really happened this week. So on Wednesday, as you all know, on Tuesday, I didn't trade on Monday, but on Tuesday I got a nice setup and I made a 7.5% of the account. On Tuesday I was to complete $25 to make the balance turn to $400 and make that day become 2 profitable days, because the profit man trading, they have a rule that say minimum trading days. They have 3 minimum trading days. So that was the problem. Although I struggled on Wednesday, I took about 8 trades, which was so wrong. I'm so ashamed of myself to come here and be telling you this. This is how trading looks like on my channel. I'm going to be transparent. Be it good week, be it bad week, I must document my journey. Yeah, for you to see how trading is, for you to see the bad side of trading. So I was ashamed of myself, but regardless, I end up making a $25 profit, and I make it on Wednesday. But on Thursday, being today, something crazy almost happened. I almost lost my account because of the same $25. The environment I was trading was in okay. Sometimes your environment really matters in your trading and it affects your trading, the way you do things. Yeah, the way you see. I was in the shop while I was trying to take a trade. Customer was there. Mistakenly, I opened two lot size, one lot size with two position, and I quickly put stop loss and I lost about $66, and that got to my emotion. It makes me take a lot of trade, revenge to recover the money and come back in profit. I almost lost about $176 or about 176 or $189, which I was left with about $30 to $40 to blow the account. So a lot really happened on it. A lot really happened. Let me just show you guys how it looks on my dashboard. I mean, I'm so stressed out. I almost lost the account. Let me show you guys how it looks on my dashboard. So guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. I mean, a lot has really happened to me on Wednesday and on Thursday. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys. You can see the current equity. I have $5,225 in this account, which is I'm up 4.51%, which is a paralyzed gain, as you can see. Then my all-time win rate is 31. I have 31% win rate, as you can see. Look at how I'm coming down. This account went, I don't know how I'm gonna put it. This account was up about 5,400, but now we are down. Look at account details. Start date February 15. Two-step active $5,000. You can see the profitable days, right? 2 out of 3. That means I've been profitable for 2 days. Profit target 56.33%. Current result, total profit remaining. That means I am to make $174 to pass this account. Maximum loss limit 625. But anyway, let me just leave this side. Let me take you guys to here. You can see today's status. I took 6 trades today. Mind you, yesterday I took like 7 or 8 trades, of which is very bad. I went against my rules. All my rules, definitely all my rules. I break all the rules. I overtrade because of what? Because I want to complete the minimum trading days, which is this place here. Profitable days. I want to complete it. So as you can see now total trade 16 trade. Number of trading days 2. You can see what happened. Let me take you to the calendar view. Let me explain something for you guys. A lot is really happening to me. This is the calendar view. I bought the account on the 15th. On the 16th, which was on Monday, there was no trade. And on 17th, I got a perfect trade. It was one trade. Actually, I opened 2 positions. If you can check the time that the trade was executed, you see they have almost the same minutes, something like that. So I opened I opened 2 trades, risking the total risk per these 2 trades was my initial 1% per risk, but it was approximately 1%, but I was risking about $40 something, and then the trade hit $378, which was a 1:7.50 risk to reward. Let me just say 1:7. Yeah, that was it. Then on Wednesday, something happened. On Wednesday, I needed to complete my profitable day. That was all. I couldn't wait for a perfect setup. I just needed to complete it. So I first take a trade on BTC USD. I lost 4.49. The second trade, I lost 9.11. Actually, this trade was the second trade I lost 9.11. And euro, the third trade, I made $40. I took another trade XAU. I took GBP. GBP, I took Euro AUD, I took SAU USD. I took 8 trade on Wednesday, which was so bad, and all this happened because I needed to complete the profitable days, of which I've learned my lesson, and I don't believe, I just pray to God this should not happen again. This happened on Wednesday, and on Thursday the same thing happened. I'm coming, I'm showing you guys something. This is so sad. I mean, just because I couldn't be patient, I wasn't patient. A lot happened. A lot just happened, and right now I'm feeling so sad. So on Thursday 19, look at what happened. The first trade I opened, this was actually a mistake. It was actually a mistake. I took 6 trades. I was in the shop and I was busy. Before you know, I mistakenly opened one lot size at 2 places, and I rushly put stop loss, and I lose this much. If you can see the time, you will see the both of them have the same second. That means like it's not something I purposely do, it's my mistake. Just click pap pap, and that was it. I'll go to another trade, GBP USD. I lost about 1%. I go to SAU USD. I lost $25. And then the same thing repeats itself again on AUD JPY. I mistakenly open another one lot again on AUD JPY. To check the time, you see the match, and I quickly close this trade. Apart from that, this account would have been gone. A lot really happened. I thank God. What happened on Euro AUD, you can see I lost $60 something on those 2 trades. I thank God I didn't lose that much on the same trade on AUD JPY. If not, I would have lost this account. Regardless, this week has been a tough one, but regardless, we are up in profit. We are up in profit of 4.5%, 4.5% in profit. But what is really happening this week is not easy. 4.51%, as you can see. So that is it. I'm going to update you guys later. Probably I may trade tomorrow, which is Friday, if I see a setup. But if I don't see a setup, I will not trade. I will just keep the account till on Monday. I'm so ashamed to do this kind of a video because all the rules I've taken, I've broken them. I'm going to post the score of my risks after tomorrow Friday. If eventually I take a trade on Friday or not, I'm going to post the score for you guys to see. I'm down. I'm V poor for this week. No matter the profit, I'm V poor. But regardless, thank God I didn't breach this account today. I thank God I didn't breach this account. If you see, let me show you guys something. I thank God I didn't breach this account. It was remainder $40 for me to blow this account. But I thank God I didn't lose this account today. All thanks to God. God is the greatest. God is the greatest. See you guys maybe on Friday if I take a trade. I'll update you guys later. Thank you. What is good, guys? Bless you all for tuning in, and thank you for turning in. By the way, I've taken the last trade of the week. Today is Friday. I've taken the last trade of the week on my favorite pair, AUD JPY, and it's currently floating in massive profit. The trade is about to approach TP, guys. Let's watch the chart. Let me show you the chart how it looks like. Let's go there. You can see now it's currently 12:48, and I've taken the last trade of the week on Euro AUD. As you can see, it's going very well. The trade is going very well. So if this trade hits TP, we'll definitely pass the account. If this trade hits this TP here, we are going to pass the account. If this trade hits TP. By the way, we are floating about 376. So if it turns to 305,400, if it turns to $400, we have passed in this account. So I'll update you guys later. I pray this trade it's TP, bro. It will be nice. It will be nice. My stop loss have been adjusted to break even. So I'll update you guys later when it hits stop loss. See you guys. I just pray as you end this week, a profitable week, to pass this account, and update you guys later. What is good, guys? Bless you all for tuning in. Trade has finally crashed TV. I'm a go. Don't try with me. Don't play with me on trading. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the trade history. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Don't be cho cho cho. Don't be cho cho cho. Let me show you guys something. The trade history. Can you see? Can you see? So we are finally passing the account. And we have complete the profitable days. You can see. I hold this trade, bro. I hold this trade. The one is still 4 again, bro. This is me. I did it, my boys. Buy this account. I'm glad God did it. Thank you, Jesus. Can see? We did it, bro. I did it, my boys. I did it. I did it. So, congratulations to us. We finally did it. See you guys next week when we get the phase 2 of the accounts. So, guys, the week is done regardless of what happened. We come out profitable, guys. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy. We come out profitable. We pass the account. We complete the minimum profitable days of 3 minimum profitable days. I think maybe by 1 a.m. or maybe by 1 a.m. midnight, I'll be having a logins of my 2-step account of my phase 2 account because the daily timer is still loading. So I think so. Regardless, we make it. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I didn't breach the account. So that's it. That's most of the time we face a lot of things. Regardless of the difficulties, I still make it. That's one thing about trading. Be it the good time you trade, be it the bad time you trade. But sometimes we need to take off from the trade in order to do more better things. Guys, I'm gonna update you guys later how the trade goes. It's your boy, Savvy Forex. Let's see how the week goes. See you guys in my phase 2. I'm going to update you guys